Hey y'all, welcome to Redneck Country. My name is Darlene. This is year 2025 and I had promised myself last year that I am going to do a lot more videos this year on YouTube. I've got Marley with me in the back seat. He's over here whining. He sees a dog outside. We've been already walking, and then there's Brownie. But I'm going to show you some clips. We're on the trace and we've been doing a little bit of stuff for New Year's. What plans did you have for New Year's? Share in the comments. We'd love to see what's going on for your New Year plan this year. And if you have any resolutions, share those with us. We would love to hear them. Sorry, Marley, it's Brownie first. Come here. Hold it, wait. Let's get Brownie's on first. Let's see, you need to go. Yeah. Brownie, ready to get on? Go? We'll go? Come on. Come here, you gotta come here. Come here. No. Marley, it's Brownie. Come here, Brownie. This is Brownie. Come here. Come here. Get on the tree, don't you? You go. Come on. Come on. I can't put. Come on. Let me see. Let me see. There we go. There's one. Come here. Hey. Let me get him dressed, Marley. Come on. There's two. All right, now Marley's turn. Where you at? Come here. Let's get yours on. All right. Hold on. Wait. Hey, Marley, raise up, Marley. Hey, you want to go for a ride? Granny, stop. I can't make it. Hey, stop. Granny. Y'all, I can't get him dressed. Hold on, we gotta get our coats on. Okay, now, let's get our harnesses on. Give me a minute. Granny, we're gonna get you first. Marley gets wild. Come here, Brownie. No, Marley, get your Brownie. Come on, let's get down. Let's get this coat fixed just right, so we're not. Come here, where I can. Come here. Marley, stop. Come here. Come on, Brownie. Where's the other one? Hey, wait. Come on, Brownie, stop, baby. Yay, Brownie. Now let's get Marley. Come on, Marley. We're going? Where are we going? We going on a road trip? Well, you can't put them backwards. Look at me. No. Come on. You gotta let me get him dressed. Yeah, you gotta let me get him dressed. Come here, Marley, I ain't getting dressed. I can't help it, he's taking too long. Hey, where's Daddy? I will wait on Daddy. Tell him so. Daddy's taking too long. Daddy's taking too long.
No, I'm coming. Hold on.
Did you hear him? Is he coming? I don't think he is he? Tell him to come on. Tell Daddy, say come on. Say come on, Slowpoke. Marley's like a bullet. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready? You think you can handle this? Look, there's the boys. They're happy. They're going for a car ride. Yeah, Brownie's really getting happy.
Oh, Jiminy. Brownie. Crazy.
Y'all going for a car ride? You gonna bust Daddy's eardrum?
Boy, that's loud in the car. My goodness. Nice, Brownie. Nice.
We're gonna go walk some trails?
Brownie thinks he's gonna outwalk us like always until he's the one lagging behind.
Marty. Marty said he's hogging. He's telling you he wants to go match his trace.
He wants to get grounded with the earth. That's what he wants. I bet he's even gonna take his shoes off.
You're gonna take your shoes off, Brownie?
Brownie?
Look, there's my husband.
Oh.
Look, Marley's hiding on us again. There, he's looking. He's excited. Well, we're here at the Gordon house off of the Natchez Trace. We're going to walk up and show you a little bit of stuff about the Gordon house. And we got the dogs with us, Marley and Brownie. Y'all get to see them some today. They're excited that they got out to walk on this Happy New Year's. We're getting ready to head back up here to the Gordon house. And then we're going to go find us another little trail to walk. That's a beautiful view right there. I love that pond out there. I think I lost my husband somewhere down the trail. He's coming slowly but surely. Him and Brownie. Look at that big tree. Even though it's dead, but whew, couldn't you imagine? It would have been beautiful, I bet. All right, so this is pretty much the top of the hill. That big pond and the Tennessee, not the Tennessee, the Buffalo Duck River's down there. That's wild. Check out that one. It has no bark. Is it dead? No, there's something at the top. It looks, I don't know what it is.
What kind of tree it is.
So how's it going, baby? Just make sure it don't get out of control.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. The flame you see is from the leaves. I should have stuffed leaves below. But yeah, we'll find out.
So just in case y'all can't hear him, he said those flames are the leaves. I have a feeling in a little bit the dogs may want to get out. They think we're camping. Can't take the smoke no more. I love the smell of this. I wish we had a wood heater.
I wish we had a bigger fire pit in the backyard, but...
We have to have bigger yards though about a fire pit.
Yes.
No, that's the one that's not over. I want this one. All right, there it goes. You ready? Oh, look. That's a hose. It's good. Warm. Especially out here it's cold. Brownie's drooling, look.
Oh, my word. That's like almost too much.
Brownie's drooling at the... So, yeah, I'm going to give you one, baby. Well, we've already ate here and everything else. Brownie and Marley's done worn out from the raid, so I guess we're fixing to head home. Hope to see you back now. Y'all come back now, you hear?